Crosstex is happy to bring you a new twist on polishing. Twist is the revolutionary Prophy angle that truly eliminates spatter and heat, the two biggest complaints hygienists have about polishing. This is achieved with the first and only 90-degree reciprocating action, resulting in a back and forth cup and brush movement. Twist uniquely avoids the buildup of heat on the tooth surface, giving rise to a new polishing technique. No dabbing and bouncing on and off teeth, just a constant, smooth sweeping motion that you'll find much more comfortable and efficient. All those other important design features that add up to a precision polishing experience, like comfortable grip, perfectly flaring cups, effective brushes, and reliable gear mechanisms are yours with Twist. And Twist is latex-free. Twist is a unique disposable, low-speed Prophy angle that moves in a 90-degree reciprocating back and forth motion instead of a traditional spinning motion. This patented design truly eliminates the spatter of Prophy paste, saliva, blood, and other potentially infectious matter. This design also eliminates frictional heat. As you know, traditional rotating cups and brushes build up heat if they remain in contact with the tooth. It becomes necessary to repeatedly lift the cup or brush off of the tooth to avoid hurting your patient. The spinning action and lifting or dotting technique also increases spatter and can be fatiguing to your hand and arm. Twist allows you to keep constant contact and flow, never having to lift off the tooth to avoid heat buildup. You can continue polishing with moderate pressure until the tooth is clean and smooth. Twist design changes the physics of polishing and results in happy, comfortable patients. Just knowing your technique will not burn the patient is very assuring. Traditional Prophy cups and brushes create notorious messes. The spatter is not just an inconvenience, it can actually spread blood, saliva, and pathogens. Twist reduces the spatter so much that patients who objected to polishing before will have a much different experience. Your new constant contact technique with Twist's oscillating movement avoid messy spatter. Containing the polishing slurry and getting great results faster will truly impact your work experience. Polishing once again has a bright and shiny future. Twist has many uses because of its unique features and characteristics. Twist is great on exposed dentin. Thorough cleansing of prepared teeth prior to bonding is essential for enhanced bond strength. Twist is the only Prophy angle that can be used safely on exposed dentin and other prepared surfaces without producing heat and related discomfort or gingival bleeding. Use Twist for applying dental medicaments, as well as preparing teeth for acid etchant and bleaching procedures. With Twist, you'll have excellent control, resulting in exact placement, no containment, and no messy spatter. Leading clinicians have determined that rotating brushes on newly placed composites can damage the restoration. A Twist brush will not cause damage because of the 90-degree reciprocating back and forth motion. Twist is the only effective Prophy brush for use on orthodontic cases. Twist always follows the path of least resistance. This means that you can safely use it on and in between brackets, wires, and bands. You can see Twist's oscillating action helping the brush penetrate between orthodontic wires and teeth, reaching deep into the space to polish tooth surfaces that are impossible to reach with spinning brushes. Traditional spinning brushes are unable to penetrate into hidden spaces because the bristles impinge on the wire. The cups have just the right amount of flare and flexibility to hug every contour of the teeth and reach subgingivally, while being firm enough to effectively remove stain without excessive pressure. Use of traditional rotating Prophy angles under the gums can result in gingival lacerations and/or bleeding. Twist's gentle but firm back and forth motion helps to avoid gingival trauma and will not alter margins. With all the difficult, often hurried work you do all day, you owe it to yourself to reduce the stress, fatigue, and possible cumulative trauma of using equipment that forces you to work harder. Twist is designed to protect your hand and arm, make your job easier and neater, while improving your efficiency.